Hello everybody, good afternoon. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about Arm & Hammer kitty litter that I've been using for my little kitty over here. Arm & Hammer Double Duty. So the reason that I bought this litter is because I needed a litter that was going to clump and be really easy to clean. This has worked really well. It's so much easier to scoop out when it's a clumping litter rather than when it's not, and it makes it like more, it takes longer basically to clean out if it doesn't clump. So this has advanced dual odor control, clumping litter, hard clumps for easy scooping. It's the kitties on the box here. In the litter box in the 70s, the secret to fighting litter box odors was to add Arm & Hammer baking soda. Now Arm & Hammer clumping cat litters are infused with odor eliminating baking soda and advanced odor neutralizers for a fresh smelling home. And you can see the Arm & Hammer pure baking soda on here, which definitely helps the litter and the room it's in smell fresh. Today's better litter for better odor control. Arm & Hammer Double Duty Clumping Litter eliminates both types of odors for advanced odor control. Its breakthrough formula destroys urine and feces odors on contact and helps keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Here is how it works. Eliminates both feces odors and urine odors. Solid clumps and has 99% dust-free, low tracking, which is good because if it's not a low tracking litter, the litter can like sit in your cat's paws and like go walk around the house like that, and that's just disgusting. So it says rock solid clumps let you remove the source of odors easily. And fresh scent refreshing litter. Fresh scent refreshes litter every time your cat uses the litter box. Arm & Hammer Double Duty Clumping Litter, your secret to true odor control. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase price. Questions or comments, there's the number you could call Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ET, or visit the website at armandhammerpets.com. Church and Dwight Co. Incorporated in Ewing, New Jersey. Product is made in the USA. Note, please wash hands thoroughly after handling used cat litter. We want to remind pregnant women and those with suppressed immune systems that a parasite sometimes found in cat feces can cause toxoplasmosis. That's terrifying. Never heard that before. Yeah, that's a little scary, so just be careful with that. This is like the little, so basically this was closed and just had to open it, push and tab and lift to open, press down to close. An odor-free home starts with Arm & Hammer, and then this is like some of their other products that they have, which I actually have tried. Their carpet, it's like a carpet powder you put on, and after 15 minutes you can vacuum. It leaves your carpet smelling nice and fresh. And if you have pets, and I don't have a ton of pets, I just have one cat, but I just try to keep my house as clean as possible and as smelling fresh as possible. Also look for these Arm & Hammer pet products to help keep your home odor-free. For over 170 years, Arm & Hammer products have provided a safe and effective way to help keep things smelling fresh and clean. Who knows more about odor control? Today's better litter for better odor control, Arm & Hammer Clumping Cat Litters. This is the 40-pound box. So at first I was like a little bit heavy to open. It's 18.14 kilograms, and then it says here, eliminates both urine odors and feces odors, and it's an extra value. And I like that it has this this top, like, it's easier to carry because it has like the little handle here. It makes it a lot easier. All right, now the important part. The instructions for use. Fill a clean, empty litter box with 3 to 4 inches of Arm & Hammer double duty clumping litter. Step 2. Litter forms rock solid clumps on contact with urine and eliminates odors. Remove clumps and solid waste daily to keep the rest of the litter fresh. Step 3. Add more Arm & Hammer Double Duty Clumping Litter to replace what you have scooped out and maintain a depth of 3 to 4 inches. Once a month, empty the entire litter box. Step 4, dispose of used litter and trash. Do not flush or put in drains ever, because you will clog the toilet. And then you could get a free pet ID tag. Go to pettagoffer.com via mail when you buy any 2 Arm & Hammer cat litters. So you put on your cat's little collar. And then this is just my litter box here. See the litter in it? That fell down. And I guess my cat just used it because she got some of her litter on the floor. She's a little messy. This is getting towards the end now, so it's a lot easier for me to pick up and carry. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with this product. I think it works really, really well. It keeps the house smelling fresh and clean. It's easy to clean because it's clumping. Yeah, I really like it. And it's not too heavily perfumed, although it does smell to me like it has like a little bit of a fresh scent or scent or something in there, but definitely not overwhelming. So I hope that you guys will try out Arm & Hammer Double Duty Clumping Litter. I hope it works out, and I really hope you guys like the product, and I thank you so much for watching.